Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I'm doing my week 3 check-in, and also I'm going to check back through my last few weeks because I've managed to not do my paper check-in for it, and I've only just realised. So I'm going to update all those, see where I've been spending and where I've been good. I'm going to see what's all been going on. So come on in. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm a mum to 2 children and this is my journey to being self-employed, quitting a full-time teaching job, setting up my own business and basically still trying to live a really good life, quality life without having to spend too much money, but still enjoying myself on a budget. So if you think that's something of interest to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the little thumbs up like icon, and then why not go and click on little bell notification button so you know every single time that I upload a video, because not only is this channel free for you, which is a bargain, it absolutely makes my day. Honestly, I love it. Thank you so much. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know just how much I love you. Thank you so much. Right, so we're going to do a quick check-in for week 3. And then, as I said, I'm going to go back through my week 1, not week 1, we haven't done that one yet. Week 1 and 2, and just put all the information down on my tracker sheet, just because I did it last month and I was really pleased. I thought it was useful and I've just not done it this month, so I'm a bit silly. Anyway, let's have a look where I've been spending money, or rather try not to spend money. Hopefully I've got a few more no spend days in there before my big mini break. So today is Tuesday the 19th and I'm going away for a few days today. So I've just managed to get this filmed and hopefully it'll be up in time for you before we set off for Wales. So I'm excited about that. Now, let's see. I have got a few spends, but I've been really good with trying to use up everything in my freezers just because I'm going away, because I just want to have a really good deep kind of clean thing. So apart from milk, you know what? I bought some more milk again this week. I couldn't believe it had gone up the other day to £1.99. It was £2.9 this week when I bought it. That is insane. Like, I'm tempted to go and buy a cow and put it in the garden and learn how to milk that thing. Seriously. Apart from I think the neighbours would complain. But there we go. Maybe one day when I'm, a millionaire. And then I'll buy my own milk, even though I wouldn't need to. I'm jabbering. I'm jabbering again. Anyway, let's see where I've been spending money. So the 14th was a no spend day. So I've just grabbed some new stickers of my no spend stickers, and let's mix it up. Let's use some of these ones. I've not used these ones for a while. Quite cute with a queen on. So that was a good day. On the 15th, I bought my milk and felt like I'd been robbed. It was a 6 pint. 6 pints? Yeah, the biggest one that you can get. But I was just like, that is... And it was whole milk, but not that it makes a difference. I think I didn't look at the bills, but I assume they were all the same. But anyway. On the 16th, I went to a wedding, so I did buy some drinks because there were some drinks included, but I was driving. And why do they give away alcoholic drinks and not so many non-alcoholic drinks? That's what I want to know. I managed to spend, it was £12.05. On the other side, Sunday was a day of rest. How hot was Sunday and Monday? So it was just too warm to do anything. Just got the paddling pool out for Alexander. I say for Alexander. Holly also wanted to get in it because, that's what teenage sisters do, I suppose. But yeah, we just hung out at home and was just like using up the rest of the fridge, getting ready, doing a bit of packing, getting a bit of sorting done, ready to go. And then on the 18th, I actually went to the club because even though it was really warm, I was thinking I just don't want to be stuck in the house that I'm in. It gets really hot inside. It's like a sauna. So I just walked around. There's a little parent and toddler group, but it's only £1. So if I go sometimes, usually if if I go, I'll find like £1 here, there, or everywhere, or if I've just like find it in the bottom of my bag usually, and I'm like, oh, don't know where that's come from. Off we go. We'll just go there, and it's not far. It just means that he's messing up somebody else's haul instead of my house for a change. So that's nice. And then I also stocked up on some snacks because we were driving in the car quite a bit, and it was just easier to get some snacky bits and that rather than stopping and paying for a fortune and things like that. So today, Tuesday, I have actually just been out this morning and topped up petrol because I like having a full tank, especially if I've got a long way to drive and you don't know where the petrol stations are, you don't know when you're going to get any more, or is it just me? It just gets like panicky. So let's just do some pretty colours for these. Petrol was 13. What's it called? Snack? Oh, no, it's groceries. We call it for buying the snacks. And that extortionate milk. And then time for me, I'm going to put, oh gosh, was this one. And I'll put this there as well, because really it's like a social envelope. I know it was Alexander, but I got a rest. It was fine. So that's just our check-in for the week. And now, I'll just grab my check-in. I've already printed this off once. I don't know where I put it. I'm so scatty. Scatty is the phrase. So it just means that I'm just going to go back through and check where I put money to start with. So we had time for me, which was 20 there. Groceries was 20 there. Petrol, 18. Gifts got 20. Beauty got 20. Date night got 20. Date out got 40. And eating out got 40. And I didn't put any in sinking funds apart from 40 into my debt, which made me a bit panicky. But somebody did comment and say, you know, at least it's good, as long as it's going in an envelope of a variety, it's going in. So it's still my money, it's still there, apart from the bit that I've sent to a bill. Right, let's have a look at this one. We had 10 here. Groceries was 30. Petrol was 15. Gifts was 10. Beauty got 20. Date night got 10. Days out got 20. And eating out got 10 as well. And then same again for the week 2. I thought this was useful last time, just so you can see exactly, you know, what is getting, you know, put more towards. And I know it's going to vary because it's the summer holidays and because I've got those mini breaks booked. That's okay. It's just, it was good to see. The only other problem I've got now is I'm going to have to go through, not done, not week 4 yet. I'm going to have to go through and see what I spent, basically. So, where am I? The first, so groceries, I spent £28.31. I think I will probably take out the change, so leave that blank there. Then I had eating out and dinner. That's on week 1. So that would be £26.70. Yeah. Feels like ages ago now. Gifts, I'm only putting, even though I spent it here as well, that was on like a separate challenge, so I'm just specifically talking about my gift envelope. So it was £47.60. And then I thought it for week 1. I think so. Yep, okay, so then we're going to go to, yeah, because I was trying to be good. Did I not buy any petrol? No, I didn't. I think, didn't I go to get petrol one day and then I forgot my card because I'm genius like that. Week 2, start from the 8th. So we had milk, which I bought from groceries, which was £1.99. Drinks here and there. What's that? 1, 7, 8.35 is it for, what envelope did I get that out of? Green, eaten out, 8.35. And then, let's have a little look. We had, what's this one? Time for me. Oh yeah, because I owed myself £2. Well, I didn't owe myself, I didn't bother paying myself back. £12 from Time for Me. Okay. And then, oh no, wedding. Where am I? That's this week. Confusing myself. Yeah, petrol 40. And then we're into week 3 now, so £2.9 on milk. The wedding was £12.05, but also that one's at £13.05. That's on Time for Me. Petrol 35. And snacks, that's groceries of 9. Oh gosh, I'll add it onto the 9, 10, 11, 11.79, 11.79. There we go. Okay, so let's see what change I've got, and then I can see where I'm going to put that. So, I'm going to keep the 5 in Time with Me. Oh gosh, let me open this. I'm not messing around with £5 this week, mostly because it's hardly anything in it. Oops. Anything else? Anywhere else? Don't think so. In there. No, that's it. Okay, so just a bit of change this week. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh gosh, that's good timing. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 450, 490, 5, 10, 15, 16. £5.16. I don't think I can do anything out of my challenges, do I? Put that back in camera, helps, doesn't it? Yeah, there's nothing. Oh, I could do the 4. I'll do the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I really thought I'd got rid of all my little ones. Obviously not. And then the rest can go in my jar. So we've got 50, 90, £1.16. Is £1.16 on there? Yes, it is. Let's get that in. £1.16. Right. And there we have it. Yay. Right, I hope you're having an amazing week. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.